Welcome everybody to your channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss 14th January Current Affairs 2022. So let's begin with the session. First question, which organization has partnered with Africa 50 to develop a transmission project in Kenya? So your answer is option A, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Now, this project will be done in public-private partnership mode, and once it is completed, the project will be the first independent power transmission in Kenya. Clear? Now, Kenya is a country in East Africa. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi, currency is Kenyan shilling, and the president of Kenya is Uhuru Kenyatta. Next question, who has been appointed as chief of ISRO? So your answer is option B, S. Somanath. So eminent rocket scientist S. Somanath has been appointed as chief of ISRO for a tenure of 3 years. Now ISRO full form is Indian Space Research Organization. It was founded on 15th August 1969. The founder of ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai and ISRO's headquarters is in Bangalore. Clear? Now, Vikram Sarabhai was the first chairman of ISRO. He internationally was regarded as the father of the Indian space program. Which organization has installed Asia's largest gas insulated substation in Mumbai? So your answer is option A, Control S. Clear? And it is a powered by 3-line configuration N plus N plus 1. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Jacob's Creek, an Australian wine brand? So your answer for this question is option C, Mithali Raj. She is appointed as brand ambassador of Jacob's Creek. Now, Mithali Raj is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket, and she is the only woman to score 7,000 ODI runs in cricket. Next question, how many schools will be selected under Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar 2021-2022? So your answer is option D, 40 schools will be selected. Now what is this Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar? So Minister of State for Education Subhas Sarkar has virtually launched Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar 2021 and 2022. The Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar recognizes and awards the schools who have undertaken exemplary work in field of water sanitation and hygiene. So it recognizes those schools. Next, the schools shall be awarded at the district, state and national level. And at the national level, 40 schools will be selected for the award this year. And the award money for the schools has also been enhanced this year from rupees 50,000 to rupees 60,000 per school under Samagra Shiksha scheme. Clear? Now, next question. What is the name of the mission launched by Indian Railways to track lost belongings of passengers? So the mission name is Mission Amanat. Your answer is option C, Mission Amanat. So Indian Railways has come up with a new initiative named Mission Amanat to track lost belongings of passengers. Now this mission has been launched by Railway Protection Force RPF. Under this mission, the details of all lost luggage and belongings along with photos will be posted on the official website of the zonal railway. Clear? Now, which has become the first city with a water metro project? Answer is option A, Kochi. It has become the first city with a water metro project. Now, Kochi has become the first city with a water metro project. The city has launched the first in a series of battery operated electric boats, and this project will connect 10 islands that span 76 kilometers. Now, next, which among the following has replaced Chinese mobile phone manufacturer Vivo as the title sponsor of the Indian Premier League for the 2022 and 2023 session? So it has been replaced by Tata Group. Answer is option B, Tata Group. Clear? Now, the BCCI had informed that Tata Group has replaced Chinese mobile manufacturer Vivo as IPL title sponsor. The Tata Group will pay rupees 300 crore per year as the title sponsor of IPL for the next two sessions. Now, Tata Group founder was Jamsetji Tata. Tata Group was founded in 1868 and Tata Group headquarters is in Mumbai. Very important question. What is India's rank in the latest Henley Passport Index released for Q1 of 2022? So India's rank is option D, 83rd. Clear? So India ranks 83rd among 111 countries in the latest Henley Passport Index, which was released for Q1 of 2022, and in October Q4 of 2021, India was ranked at 90th spot among 116 countries. In Q1 of 2022, the Indian passport has visa-free access to 60 destinations as compared to 58 destinations in Q4 of 2021, and among which the latest destinations are Oman and Armenia. Clear? And the top spot of this Henley Passport Index has been retained by Japan and Singapore. Clear? And the world's least powerful passport is of Afghanistan. Now, next question. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Kazakhstan? Answer is option A, Ali Khan Smailov. He has been appointed as new Prime Minister of Kazakhstan. So the Parliament of Kazakhstan has unanimously approved the appointment of Ali Khan Smailov as the new Prime Minister of the country. Prior to this, he was Finance Minister of the country from 2018 to 2020. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister in 2019. And Kazakhstan capital is Nur Sultan. A book named Indomitable, a working woman's notes on life, work and leadership is an autobiography of. So it is an autobiography of Arundhati Bhattacharya. So answer is option A, Arundhati Bhattacharya. So Arundhati Bhattacharya is a retired Indian banker and former first ever woman chairperson of the State Bank of India. She was the first ever woman chairperson of SBI. Now the book narrates the story of Arundhati Bhattacharya's life as a banker and the difficulties that she had faced in the male dominated sector. Now, next, what is the name of India's oldest sloth bear who has passed away at the Van Vihar National Park in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh? So her name was Gulabo. Option B is your answer, Gulabo. So India's oldest sloth bear Gulabo has passed away at Van Vihar National Park in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Gulabo was the oldest sloth bear of the country and she died at the age of 40. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, then do subscribe the channel Competitivepedia and share with your friends. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you everybody.